Whaatalwhatu se whaapoponga o Talafou le Radio Samoa. E 5 miliona leisi tupe whaapopo wo fuatu le malu o Stadia, a ngai se whaaputu ngā tupe whaava malu e whea ngai maafianga o mea whaalea ngai na e maafua mai swinga o le tau. O le whorasanga le malu o Stadia sa whai e le whonatanga malu o Fatasi e whaatatau i le tau po le climate, leo lo whanga solo i Azerbaijan, leo lo tamu whai eisui au wai e whaaturanga sa isi taula inga fou, mo lea whaaputu ngā tupe. Pai mai le ABC o Stadia le atunu ulo na ono au pito i te lea le fua i lea whaaputu ngā tupe, ma le saunoanga le minsta o swinga i le tau a Stadia, Chris Bowen, i le whonatanga le COP29, na i e ta uai o le whesosoani whaopopo lea au Stadia, i runga ato le isi se lau miliona sa fua ina i le Pacific Resilience Facility o se nofanga e umia le Pasifika e whesosoani e tari atu ia afianga o swinga o le tau i le Blue Pacific Continent. O Dave Sweeney mai le Australian Conservation Foundation wa ia taua e manai wa taula mua Australia i leo foina o le whesosoani tau tupe peitai i te tonu rawa i o rona loto i whale. E le o whaititia le susunuina o oloa e āfua mai ai ia le whaalea ngai nau le osone lona winga la a tu i le sila whaava malo i lea mata upu e le taitai lava ia tupe whaafetawia ai a afianga o ngā yoinga o lo o whaia i Australia e āfua ai swinga le o le tau. Watu ina mai nei se la pata inga mai le vai ngore soifua maloloi na Australia e whaatatau le whaonga ino le vai le whaingo o le Finnegan e maasani o le whaonga mo le tongwhiti o le hay fever ma maneso e meise tangata mātutu e whainga tau na moe ai au ngā fo i mota mai te ta iono tau sanga masiri atu le mātutua. Wa iei wha maoninga wha saentisi wa maua talua nei, wa mai tawi nai la matianga mai le vai lea pe a wha o ngā i tamai tira iti, ma ua afuai ma le lapta inga, ma le wha i unga watu umai ilona wha o ngā i nei tamaiti. Whaero mai le TGA, po le Therapeutic Goods Administration, i le ripote le Nine News, wa maua isu esu e ngā lo o lava wha maoninga e langolango ai, e iei se so tanga i le promethazine o se tasio waila awolo o au fia i le vaile o le Finnegan, Ma popolenga mo le saunga le mui tūranga tau le mafau ma le system o le tangata, ma o tamaiti lalo ta iono tausanga le mātutua e ono au fiai ini a fianga e peo le whaingatau na nofo fi le mu, fi nau malosi le ita, pe va ia foi ma whaanongoina ni mea e leo ni mea moni. O le ngai o inga la ua whengai nei ma whaletala vai, o le tō suia o labels o loa nei o lo o maua ia lātou o onanga, a ua whautuaina mātua, sa ili se whautuanga mo isi o loa tali tutusa mo tamaiti lalo le ono tausanga, a e tau fia le whaungaina o le Finnegan. Ua whola mai le Transport for New South Wales o le soro te te lea sa fuafua mo le aso a tae au, ua toi toro pō ina ua yeise madienga ua taunu iei taranoanga ma le uni, ia wha wau le au unanga e pēna masani ai mo le aso a tae au. O le uni o lo tūrai mo le rail, tram, ma pasi, sa wha tūranga na nātu soro te te mo le wha aso, a mata a tae au, a anga i atu i le aso sa, a o wha tadi ai whiutana inga na whaia ma le whainga māloa New South Wales. Pei tai lao le te o le afo le lima le fia whenanafi na maariri ai o le awha o wau pēr au unanga pēr na masani ai mo le aso atai au. E au fia ima fuafuanga o ni malanga wha o popo i le Olympic Park mo le Pearl Jam Concert o le awha iai. Au watoe wha tūranga lal solo te e aru le aspareile anga i atu i le tai au le aso saa. Ma o le atapuni ai vaenga o whemalanga inga i trains. O le so foi le tau matero iei whainga malanga lo o a fia, i nisi solo te o lo whaia, ma malanga ua wha le au ngaina. Whai mai le Transport for New South Wales, o le a matere na a fia i tangata whai malanga anga i Newcastle, ma le Central Coast, Blue Mountains, Southern Highlands, ma le Illawarra. O teinei te talavau o stadia to rua mai melepone, leo lo o ini tūranga tinga ina i Bangkok, ua whaeroe nisi ripoti la tamai, o lo whao ngā pēra masini ar whanamai i whesosoani iai, ai fōringa e le i o ese mai malo la potu sa iai, mo le lua se fulufai tū la talo na inumia, se vai la au o lo masaromia ua ona na ai, a o iai i Laos. O Bianca Jones ma Holly Bowes, sa anonofo i le Nana Backpacker Hostel i le vai asa taruai i Thailand, ai le ianga i ane check out i le teimi sa fuafuaina, ma murimuri ai lo o a afia, i ni vai sa tau mawhaina, le a fo ina mariri waistanga te to rua, ma le to o tele wa tau fia i fo i wharamai, ma salomia ua ona na uma e ma salomia o le methanol. Whaamtaranga me le mata upuleu ta waio i la ua e to rua, o isi wala uria ia na awa yatu le tō foina o shots, o le lao vauka, sa o foina ane le no whanga na umawai. O le taulanga na malanga iai e ngua o Vang Vieng, e iloa tele mō tā whaonga ma whainga pāti. Pei tai lau atu ina le upeng ta whailangi le Smart Traveller, e au i tangata na whae tete o no waiei nisi wa a fiai, mai drinks, po o vaitau mawhalo o foinai. O lo o foina le mtanga renga o vai whafo au stadia le pasosoani i a inga o nei te to o rua o lo iai pēi Thailand, tali ai tong fitinga o lo tau mwhaia pēa mo i la ua, e ta i se fuluiwa tau sanga le mātutua. Tala muli o se lipoti ua whaamatu mai le Cyprus Spy Agency a Australia, wa ilo ai o a onga tūlelei tūlanga tau tupe po Welfare Schools i Australia, o i la tau isi o lo tau lai mai iei o swainga i lunga o penga ta whaelangi. Whai mai lipoti o whaamaumaunga o tamaitia o ngai au fiei whaamaumaunga tau soifua malanoina, whaamaumaunga tau le mawhauwhau, e mawhaiuna ngā o iei whainga nei, ma whao ngai mawai tupele au o sofai mai mātua o tamaiti. O le ofisa lea Australia, le Australian Signals Directorate, po le ASD, o lo lātou mātai tuina ngā yoinga nei tangata e whaia upenga ta whaelangi, ma ua mai ano lātou longoina leo tuso le unga o lātou suesuenga i le mata upulea. O nisi o lo mātelo na tau lai ma iei o spainga o whaia onga, mai lātou e whaia por kalamata wa o onga, e mei se whaile au unanga tau whila wa inga, maisi. Sa unwa ile minstau whea ngai mai au unanga Richard Miles, o le au whai o ripoti ua mai tawina le ripoti lea e tali tutusa lava ma le tausanga na tenei a ua vai le si pe i rungo tupe alu a mai se le onga atu a fianga. Fauto ina tangata tai totasi ma pisinisi a wana i tutongina ni tupe nisi o hackers o na e le aise wha mauninga o le ato e mawane ni wha mtalanga na tau te ngao ia. Tala na le Radio Samoa mo le nei awau.
Radio Samoa Tasimai Batolu Amo Radio Samoa Tasimai Batolu Amo
O le Parkinson and Bowskill was silia mal se lautau sangalana tautua ile ngao sio maafa manatu anangata. O tau sa ili sa maafa manatu mo se pele ya oe. Le Parkinson and Bowskill na amatanga o sia na maafa manatu. Mai le afe valu se lau valu ono. Vala au lole o valu se lau, fitu tolu tolu, fa tolu tolu. Pe emaili le info@parkinsonbowskill.co.nz mo nisi fa amtalaga.
Le Casa Beds and Appliances, o le tali o manaonga, i o loe whaatotonga ilo mauta, ini tau le lei, toi anangata, e mawai moenga ngao si tutono New Zealand, wha a pese tino fōa le potumalo lo, lau ai manafoa, TV, la au pese, usa aisa, masini tā lava, telefoni fe aviai, maisi. A whiu ane loa i le whawhituwha Great North Road o tau, po le tolo whituiwa Great North Road i Henderson. Le Casa Beds and Appliances, telefoni o valu se lau, lua, lima whāwalu, o valu se lau, lua, lima whāwalu.
Awa ni ABC whaasala laua tu sa o Radio Samoa, le tamara sanga teto fitu ale Malisi, Pacific Sevens, lua afe lua sumar wha, mai le balai o le Manuka Rovers i mangele i le aso tona i lua se fulu tolo o Novema. Tele au mai Samoa, ma le Pasifika o le a waile nei wha moi, ua mawhai ona au inatu ona o le langolango mai a company name, Moana Rentals, The Fono, Chimana Wholesale Orders, Pasifika Family Health Crew. Mana tua le Malisi Pacific Sevens o le lua afe lua sumar wha, aso tona i lua se fulu tolo o Novema, i lunga le Facebook ma le YouTube ale Radio Samoa.
Talofa Samoa, o Atishna Ryan, o le Licensed Immigration Advisor mo le Auckland South Immigration Consultants. E visosoani mo so se tu ai ngā visa e malanga mai New Zealand po Australia. Telefoni mai nei loa i le o valu o tasi o no valu wha fitulua. Po le olua tasi o no valu fitulua tolu o.
Radio Samoa, kasilima i wakuru amo.
Taraflava o David Tua le nei, o lo e whaafonga mai pēi le Radio Samoa, tasi lima i watolu amo. Samoa i manuia lau whaafonga, ma lau whaasausaunga.
Ia, le lei taimi nunga wati Samoa le was full minutu wa te enele i tūlai wha. Dio e nau whaafonga tunu malu dātoa. Tunu i ses fwoi whapoponga, ia, i tala iwa i whanua mai Ausitalia o Saunia Matapinina, le whaletui a Miriama la topo mare, i lenga te lea nisi fwoi o tātou whaasalonga whaapisi nisi. Ai, i le anganga whaalalu tele lava au te whaafilua i atu, i le tātou wā tawhtolu. I man malu wha le malo, ia le pa ia fa le kalesia a fa le anganu ia mal pa iman malu fa le kalesia malo de tau tai malo fo ile tau tau tua ia ile nei fo ia solulu la solua se fulu Novema lua fe lua fa ia e pe ona tau tau nga mai man tau mai mo mai fa fonga mai yo el tau ona fa tau va le nei o isa ako le o tatu ma futai nei lunga tanto por clambe nganga i for favor fa malo antu ile fitelenga ia taito ia awa fo i lona tautua i le tātu pora klame o le awoli ma whangamua ia talitonu o le opisi lava le sunga i whangamua ia tau whai a whangamua seo manu Francis Ioane i nisi fo i fufuanga a whaalea inga ai ioi o le le fionga ia si Severe ioi le fionga ia Severe ia o malanga i nalo i Wellington ia awa fo i le whaitaunga lona tolu ia o le pili ia i le malo i le whalefono ioi i la loina i Wellington whaitaunga lona tolu nei ia awa fo i o le so i whaafisia o le Citizenia Samoa ia o le taimi nei o live le tātou fono tangale nei ia o le wha emo atu ia le tātou fono tangale nei ia o lea o awa iei le fionga ia Severe man fontanga tano ina ile faitanga lona tolu o le pili o whaafusia o le Citizeni New Zealand mo Samoa
who asked me to put this bill into the biscuit tin, and I note that I have I want to acknowledge a number of them today. I note that I've got a friend of mine, Tao Pritchard. She's up here as well. Other friends of mine like Tony Fala. As well, and Green Party councillor Renee Dingwall, who asked me specifically a lot to actually put something together to put this in the tin. Also acknowledging all the Samoans I went to Auckland University with, along with the Honourable Jenny Salesa, she'll know all of them, people such as Lotu Fuli, a number of us who ended up in He Fauwhau He Polotu Niue, which was the Niuean Student Association, people such as Terry and the others. You had an enormous impact on me on why I should put this bill and in solidarity with you and your communities. But most of all, Mr. Speaker, today I am thinking of my brother, our brother, Whaanana Efesel Collins. This one's for you, Oos. This one's for you. Mr. Speaker, there is a historical context to this bill, and I want to acknowledge Whalema'i Lesa, who I think might be in the gallery somewhere today. I want to acknowledge her commitment and the work that she did in 1978 to challenge the government when they took away her citizenship, Mr. Speaker. I want to acknowledge the workers of that time who came to the Select Committee, who presented and talked about how they rallied behind Whalema'i and her legal team to get the pūtea together, to get the funding together, to take the case to the Privy Council. Mr. Speaker, they won that court case and they were right. They were New Zealand citizens and they had their citizenship removed. Mr. Speaker, I want to reflect on the weight of the debates that we've had in this chamber, the weight of the conversations that we heard through the Select Committee process, and to celebrate and acknowledge the extensive consultations that we had with the impacted community. Mr. Speaker, there were powerful testimonies from the Samoan community during the Select Committee process, and I want to praise the authenticity and the passion of young people, of our rangatahi, that came to the Select Committee process with their vision for a better future. Mr. Speaker, if I could say to our Pacifica communities, seeing the strength and the intelligence of those young people, I am certain that the future of Pacifica communities is in safe hands. Mr. Speaker, I want to acknowledge the involvement of many of the former MPs, and I acknowledge you, Anai Arthur Anai, for your steadfast commitment to continue to push on this issue. And I note that there was a 2003 petition which had nearly 100,000 people, and also a demonstration outside the steps of Parliament. I want to acknowledge the other former Samoan MPs who have participated or shown their support throughout this process, such as the Honourable Lua Manuvau Winnie Laban, Teresa Ngobi, and Opeto William Seal, who actually he was one of the first people I rang when this thing when I got the bill pulled out of the biscuit tin. I want to acknowledge Te Pāti Māori for being one of my first responders when I asked them if they would support the bill, and acknowledging the connection between tangata whenua, acknowledging the connection between tangata moana, tēnā koutou katoa. I also want to acknowledge the role that, of engagements with the Vavau Vasa Manaia, the Right Honourable Winston Peters, for his very considered conversations with myself. We had a number of conversations, myself and the Honourable Jenny Salesa. 1982, I was just a kid, so having the experience of yourself, of the Right Honourable the Deputy Prime Minister, Mr. Speaker, was valuable in trying to find a way to navigate a way forward in this regard. Mr. Speaker, Le Maunga Lydia Sosene messaged me this morning, and I know that if she could have been, she would have been here. If she could have been, she would have been here. Sunga, sister, I know that you are probably listening today. This bill is also for you. This bill is also acknowledging the work that you have done in the Select Committee and in your communities to get people to move forward as well. I would like to acknowledge the Yak Party, who also, during the first reading, surprised the nation, I think, with their support. So Dr. Pamji Palmer, I'd like to recognise your contribution and the contribution of the Yak Party. The Select Committee process, Mr. Speaker, was amicable, I think, and I'd like to acknowledge the Cameron Brewer, Tim Costley and Tom Rutherford for their work behind the scenes, trying to wrangle their lot to get this over the line in a way that suits and benefits them. And of course, Andy Foster, who whose amendment paper got up and mine tune didn't. So congratulations to him for making sure that those amendment papers got over as well. Mr. Speaker, before I end, the thing is with these types of things as members of Parliament, we get up and we talk and everybody thinks that it's all about us, but actually the real heroes are the staff. The real heroes are the workers. And so I'd like to acknowledge the staff that have helped to support me, our Chief of Staffs, our directors, our comm staff. But I want to acknowledge Samu Telefoni, who is here today, Mr. Speaker. When I started this with Samu. I'm an Achuan, he is a Tongan. So you had an Achuan and a Tongan supporting our Samoan family. I would also like to acknowledge Liara Koika Stevens, who's been doing a lot of the heavy lifting behind the scenes, making sure that I'm organised along with Samu as well, and the massive amounts of support that we've had from many of our young Māori and Pacific staff, Mr. Speaker, Jackie, Poppy, Tamahina and Sean, and all of our Green Party staff, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Greens are proud to have championed this bill. And we hope that it goes to some way to atoning for the past wrongs of this Parliament by the state against Pacifica communities. Let's savour this small but significant victory and carry forward the momentum to achieve possibly even greater things. When we unite in the pursuit of justice, there's so much more that we can accomplish. Mr. Speaker, whawhitai tele lava, mei taki rā nui nui, I commend this bill to the House.
The question is that the motion be agreed. Cameron Brewer.
Talofa lava, Mr. Speaker. Distinguished guests, Your Excellency Samoa's High Commissioner to New Zealand, thank you for your submissions. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your belief in the process. And thank you for your graciousness. The National Party is pleased, very pleased, to support this third reading of the Citizenship Western Samoa Restoration Amendment Bill. We believe we have landed at a good place after a lot of work from a lot of people. The bill will restore New Zealand citizenship to individuals born in Western Samoa between 13 May 1924 and 1 January 1949, yet were not in New Zealand in 1982, whose citizenship was removed with the 1982 Citizenship Western Samoa Act. The House's intention is clear, the Select Committee's intention is clear. We are ring-fencing a cohort of now very special elderly people, possibly up to 3,500 individuals, and only those directly affected will be eligible as of right for citizenship by grant, not their descendants. By ring-fencing, Mr. Speaker, by ring-fencing the eligible 1924 to 48 cohort, we have done something, as I've said before, that no New Zealand Parliament has done in the 42 years since the Privy Council decision. We are acknowledging what many lost today, what many lost when the 1982 Parliament unanimously voted to rule those living in New Zealand at the time citizens, but not those living in Samoa or elsewhere. One historical perspective, Mr. Speaker, that continues to be perpetuated, including in the New Zealand media today, was that it was the Muldoon government alone that overturned the Privy Council's ruling through the 1982 legislation to take away that citizenship. Taking away that citizenship in 1982 was a unanimous decision by this Parliament, with Bill Rowling's Labour Party and Bruce Beethan's Social Credit joining the government of the day to unanimously push through that legislation. And isn't it great, sir, that 42 years later, this Parliament is united again in the restoration of citizenship. Mr. Speaker, I want to pay tribute to our Prime Minister, the Right Honourable Christopher Luxon, and I also want to pay tribute to the support from senior MPs, their officers, the Honourable Nicola Willis, Shane Retty, Chris Bishop, Erica Stanford, our Department of Internal Affairs spokesperson, Chris Penk, and the Chief of Staff in the Prime Minister's office, Cam Burrows. I also want to acknowledge, Mr. Speaker, the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Foreign Affairs, the Right Honourable Winston Peters, and our Minister for Department of Internal Affairs, Brooke Van Velden. Thank you, Mr. Peters, for all the work that you have done and continue to do in the Pacific as part of your Pacific Reset program. Mr. Speaker, by amending, not repealing this legislation, we have avoided violating the 1982 protocol to the treaty, 1962 protocol to the Treaty of Friendship and potentially straining diplomatic relations with Samoa. With that in mind, and all that work that's been done to get us this far, I want to acknowledge the sponsor, Green MP Te Anau Tuiono, for his work, all his work and leadership and willingness to adapt his original bill to get it over the line, before we could arguably lose what is the last chance to make a meaningful acknowledgement to this generation. I want to also thank my government colleagues, National MPs Tim Costley, Tom Rutherford, as well as New Zealand First Andy Foster for their interrogation and hard work over many months to knock this into shape. I want to also acknowledge one of my old bosses, Arthur Anai, for all the work that he's done, the tenacity that he's shown. I remember writing research papers on this for caucus in that back in the late 1990s, and he never let it go. And as I've said before, I turned up to Auckland Council with him and he was still going on about it. And he never let it go. So thank you for all the work you've done, Arthur. I know it's not exactly what you wanted, but it's as good as we could deliver across this House, and you should be very proud. I want to also take this opportunity, Mr. Speaker, to make a public service announcement of some sort with information that I have sought from the Department of Internal Affairs today via the Minister's office to shine some light on how this will work in an operational sense, in a logistical sense. Assuming, Mr. Speaker, that the bill is signed by the Governor-General on Monday, applications for citizenship can be received from Tuesday next week. And I want to also announce, Mr. Speaker, that estimated processing times is 30 working days. But this is dependent on the volumes received and the information applicants provide. The website, the dedicated web page, Mr. Speaker, will be www.govt.nz/citizenship-Samoa-pre-1949. You'll be able to find it just by going to the GOVT-NZ site. Remember that, the GOVT-NZ site. And that'll go live by Friday, Mr. Speaker. That'll go live by Friday with the application form, information how to apply, and a contact centre live as well. People can also, their children, grandchildren, nieces and nephews, friends and themselves, people can apply in person at a DIA counter in Auckland, in Wellington, in Christchurch, in Sydney, in London, and most importantly, at the High Commission in Apia. Or by, Mr. Speaker, or by mailing the application form to DIA. Information on the refunds for successful applicants, which the government and others have agreed to, refunds for successful applicants will be on the website. So that's the information on the refunds. So, Mr. Speaker, this is a very, very historic day. And as I was just saying to my good friend Tom Rutherford, no 2 days in the New Zealand Parliament are ever alike. And so it's great to be here for this historic moment, knowing that it has been 42 years in the making. And frankly, our Prime Minister can feel proud that since 1982, after 6 Labour Prime Ministers and 4 National ones, he is the one Prime Minister who is putting his support to this. I want to also acknowledge the support and willingness of the National Caucus to back this. That is the front bench and the back bench. Mr. Speaker, 42 years in the making. It gives me great pleasure to commend to the House the Citizenship Western Samoan Restoration Amendment Bill. Thank you.
Right Honourable Chris Hipkins.
Talofa lava, Mr. Speaker, and to all of our Samoan communities here at Parliament today and who are watching around Aotearoa and in fact around the world. I know today is a very significant day for all of you. Welcome to Parliament. Today is about righting an historic wrong. It is a very big day, and I'm proud to be able to take this call and lend Labour's full support to this bill. Today is about correcting and finally recognising thousands of Samoan New Zealanders who have always had the right to New Zealand citizenship. Today is about justice, and I acknowledge it has been a long and a hard battle for so many people who have fought for justice for so long. And I want to acknowledge Te Anau Tuiono for bringing this bill before the House. I want to thank him and the Green Party for working constructively with all parties in this House and for working particularly with my Labour colleagues who I'm speaking alongside here today. Thank you for your collaboration in making sure that this bill made it over the line. On issues like this, working together is absolutely the right thing to do, and I'm very proud to stand here today to say Labour has supported this bill at every step of the way. To the tens of thousands from our Samoan communities whose voices have helped to shape this bill, thank you for your ongoing and your strong advocacy. I know there have been a lot of talanoas held throughout the year with the community, and I want to acknowledge that many have shared deeply felt, personal and generational stories of their experiences as a result of that 1982 Act and the history between New Zealand and Samoa, and I want to thank you for sharing those stories. I want to thank our Labour MPs who have put so much work into making sure that we as a team understood why this bill was important and why our support for it mattered. They have been right there alongside our Samoan New Zealanders, supporting them each and every step of the way, whether it's during all of those meetings around the country, on marches, bringing their voices and aspirations to Parliament. Thank you to our Pacifica MPs. To Leomanga Lydia Susini, who can't be here today, but who sat on the Select Committee, a very warm thank you to you. To Carmel Sepoloni, Barbara Edmonds, Jenny Salesa and Tangi Utakiri, thank you for all of the engagement I know that you have been doing with our communities across the country. And can I thank Rachel Boyack, who so competently chaired the Select Committee, and to all of the members on the Select Committee for bringing this bill back to the House. It is a powerful thing to have strong Pacific representation at Parliament. And I'm very proud of Labour's strong connection with our Pacific communities and the strong representatives that you have sent to be part of our team. The strong relationship and that strength of relationship is something that we celebrate and we respect every single day in this House. It helps to bring about change. like the ones that we are seeing here today. And that's why I'm proud to say that Labour will continue to wholeheartedly support this bill. There have been many strong voices heard during this debate, almost 25,000 submissions during the Select Committee process. It's been very clear that this is an issue important to and close to so many within our community. I want to thank one submitter, Whalemai Lesa, who made history by successfully arguing her case to the Privy Council 4 decades ago that she was indeed a New Zealand citizen. Her oral submission, spoken in Samoan, articulated, quote, "The only thing I want is for my people to be able to travel freely without hindrance or legal implications, if only they didn't take away this right from Samoans." We have heard that message. She and many other aunties and uncles have shared similarly heartbreaking experiences of facing deportation when they should have been recognised as citizens. Thank you for sharing your testimony and for continuing to advocate to this day. Although this bill only applies to the elders of the community, and I say elders only in the sense of age, I feel very much encouraged by the staunch voices of young Samoans who have also been pushing for change. To quote one young and bright activist who led a petition in support of this bill, Esme Salesa, who is here, I want to quote from her directly, quote, "They have a right to be here as much as anyone else does, and they deserve their citizenship." I totally agree. This is about fairness. It's about ensuring that those who are entitled to the rights other New Zealanders have are afforded those rights. Outside of the scope of this bill, during the Select Committee process, we also heard from the community that they want Samoan New Zealand visas to be reviewed. We, as the Labour team, would be supportive of the government exploring those issues to remove and alleviate any potential barriers for Samoan New Zealanders wanting to make coming to New Zealand more accessible for their families. Today's decision to overturn injustices of the past against our Samoan communities is the way forward in honouring the spirit of the government's Dawn Raids apology. The apology was a watershed moment for New Zealand, and I know how important it was for our Pacific communities. But I also know that we've still got a way to go to make sure that our actions match up with the words in that apology. And today's passage of this bill through the House is another thing that gives meaning to the words when we said as a country that we were sorry. We must look to our past to reconcile our future. The Muldoon era heralded a series of discriminatory immigration laws, which of course led to the Dawn Raids and the subsequent 1982 removal of citizenship for Samoans born between 1924 and 1948. It should never have happened. Today is a step forward. I know for many Ainga, they've waited a long time for this. I know just how much today means for you all and what it means for the thousands who are now going to be eligible for citizenship. I'm glad through the Select Committee process we were able to achieve something which wasn't achieved at the first reading, the unanimous support of all parties in Parliament for this legislation. There were concessions along the way that needed to be made to get that, but I am glad that everybody got there in the end. What's important is that there is a pathway forward for those who would otherwise have been left behind. I know our Samoan communities are amongst our hardest working and proudest New Zealanders, and I know that today is a big day. I know for some of you, citizenship was the last step to being fully recognised as a New Zealander and finally feeling like you can call Aotearoa New Zealand home. And I can assure you that you have always been home here. Whenever I've been with our Samoan communities here, whether it's at a Pacifica Fest, at the Whale, or simply walking down Great South Road in Otahuhu, I've always been made to feel very warmly at home. I have always been very, very well fed, and I have always enjoyed great company. We are really proud of our Samoan communities here in New Zealand. Thank you for everything you contribute to the richness of this country. It's a legacy of empowering our communities that we're firmly committed to upholding. So for those of you who are eligible, I understand the oldest cohort may be as young as 100 years young. Once the applications are open, I encourage you to consider it. You have a right to participate in this country to the fullest, and we are very pleased that you are finally going to get this opportunity. Whawhatai tale lava, thank you all again. And as my colleague and good friend Barbara Edmonds, who no doubt is going to speak and say this later on, today it's the 685s to the world.
Harmjeet Palmer.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'm taking this call on behalf of the ACT Party to support the Citizenship Western Samoa Restoration Amendment Bill. We are quite pleased, Mr. Speaker, to see that this bill has come to the stage, and I know that it's a member's bill, so for any member for their bill to be drawn from the ballot is quite exciting. And then to see this bill come to the stage, final stage in the House, is even more exciting. So I would like to congratulate the member in charge, Tiana Tiono, for bringing this bill to Parliament, giving us the opportunity to debate this issue, and coming to this point that we are agreeing to support this bill. Mr. Speaker, I would also like to express my deepest gratitude to 24,000 plus submitters. Their effort is commendable. I also want to thank everybody who has been part of this process. I know that during the first reading, we had many members of the community, those who came here to witness the passing of the first reading and then the second reading. And after the second reading, Mr. Speaker, we had a beautiful function with the community, and I can say there were easily close to 150 members of the community, those who joined us for that function after the second reading was passed in the House. And Mr. Speaker, in the Committee of the Whole House, good progress was made on this bill. The amendment which was made, Andy Foster's amendment, Mr. Speaker, supported by the whole House, I want to acknowledge that, because that amendment provided a good balance. Because this bill is not about obtaining citizenship, this bill is about reclaiming citizenship. So I think it provides that really good balance that if the application is approved, the applicant will be able to get their fee refunded. And the whole House supported that amendment, which is again a great thing. And now, Mr. Speaker, in the third reading, again, I see that there are so many members of the community here in the gallery, and our gallery is full. Thank you so much for making this special effort. I know it's not easy to come all the way to Parliament, but you have done this because this is so important for you all. And it's great to see that the community is here in person to witness the third reading of this bill. And I want to thank you all for your efforts. Mr. Speaker, just recently in an event, I was talking to an individual, a respectable individual. I guess I can name that individual because that individual's daughter has been already named. The Honorable Jenny Salisa, I was talking to her, and she said that her daughter has been quite instrumental in gathering support for this bill because her granddad was affected by 1982 Act. So there have been so many reasons why people have come forward to support this bill. People really felt strongly about putting their word forward in the select committee process. And this has shown that our democratic system works. Because this is not the first time that the issue has come before the House. As the member in charge mentioned before, there was a petition that was in 2003, which had close to 90,000 signatures. And at that point, that issue did not go through. But now this has come in the form of a members' bill, and we are all supporting this bill and really looking forward to seeing that this bill becomes a law. And so to the community, I would say that if you really believe in an issue, do not give up. Do not give up. This is your parliament. Keep bringing that issue again and again. As you have done this time, convinced a member to take up an issue as a member's bill, continue to do that. And I really commend your efforts in doing so. Mr. Speaker, becoming a citizen, as I'm an immigrant, becoming a citizen is not a small thing. And especially becoming a citizen of New Zealand is a matter of pride, is a matter of real privilege. And we know the value of being a New Zealand citizen. So it brings a lot of positives. It brings a lot of obligations, which are all positive again. It brings responsibilities as well, that is our duties towards the royal authority, our duty as New Zealand citizen to make sure we are following all the laws of our country. And Mr. Speaker, these people have been waiting for very, very long time to be citizens of New Zealand, to reclaim their citizenship. So it's not going to be anything new. And today, with the passing of the third reading of this bill, I know that it will invoke a number of emotions, the different kind of emotions amongst community members. There will be people, those who will feel their obligation becoming a New Zealand citizen. And there will be the sense of relief as well, Mr. Speaker, because this has been a long fight. And I want to acknowledge Falema Lisa and everybody who joined in that journey when that journey started, and all the community that is here today to support us debating this bill. This shows, Mr. Speaker, that sometimes the road to justice is not that straightforward. It's not quick. It can be long, it can have some bumps, but, Mr. Speaker, ultimately justice is delivered. As I said in the first reading of the bill, for us, for the ACT Party, it is about fairness, it is about equality, it is about justice. And we really wanted to see this bill going to select committee process, and it did. And I'm really glad to see that so many came forward to speak about this bill and support this bill. I want to acknowledge all my ACT Party colleagues for being so supportive of this bill from the start. I want to especially acknowledge Honourable David Seymour and Honourable Brooke Van Velden as the Minister of Internal Affairs. It's really good to see that they have been very, very supportive from day one about this bill. Mr. Speaker, going forward, yes, the process will start very, very soon. After 5 days, all those individuals, those who will be eligible after this bill goes through, will be able to apply to reclaim their citizenship. And it will be, I know, an exciting moment, because I know so many of these individuals already have families here in New Zealand. It will be a great opportunity for them to become New Zealand citizens and then utilize their time with their families here in New Zealand without going through the longer processes that they might be going through at the moment. Mr. Speaker, community's voice has been heard. And community's voice has been really strong. And I would like to say to the community that keep your voice strong. Continue to advocate for issues that matter. And this is something that is to fix a historical wrong. And thank you for giving us the opportunity to fix this historical wrong. It is because of you coming forward that we have been able to pay attention to this issue and take this issue seriously and bring it to this stage. Mr. Speaker, finally, I want to say this, that I know that there are so many other community members, those who could not be here today, could not join us during the first reading or the second reading of the bill. I want to acknowledge them as well. And I really, Mr. Speaker, know that the commitment of those who have been part of this fight, those who have been part of this journey, will be honored by the entire community. Mr. Speaker, as an immigrant, I understand the emotions that the community is going through and the emotions that the community will feel applying for citizenship and seeing their family members able to reclaim New Zealand citizenship. Mr. Speaker, going forward, I know that we are quite excited and we are really looking forward to welcoming those 3,000 plus Kiwi Samoans to New Zealand as they will become Kiwi Samoans after gaining New Zealand citizenship. And I want to congratulate all those individuals, those who will be reclaiming their citizenship. And Mr. Speaker, it's a real pleasure to support this bill and commend this bill to the House. Thank you.
Andy Foster.
Mr. Speaker, this is a good day. This is a happy day. This is a day of alofa. It's a day that we together take the final steps in this House to right a wrong that is 42 years old. It's a day when this Parliament does what no other Parliament has done over that 42 years, despite several requests to take action. And it's a day when this Parliament will be unanimous, I'm confident will be unanimous, Tiano, will be unanimous in supporting this legislation to correct that wrong which was done 42 years ago when that House was unanimous in creating the wrong in the first place. Mr. Speaker, I'm delighted to speak in support of this bill on behalf of New Zealand First. First of all, I just want to make some congratulations. Tiano Tuiono, I want to congratulate you. People get congratulated for getting a bill drawn out of the hat, but the reality is you had to be in to win. You got it in there, it came out, and you have worked diligently with the Select Committee, with the Samoan community to make sure that we got this bill to a place where it can get through today. So I wanted to congratulate you for all of that. Mr. Speaker, I also wanted to place on record my thanks and congratulations to all of the Select Committee. The Governance Administration Select Committee worked really collegially under the chairmanship of Rachel Boyack, Lamonga, Lydia Saseni, who's unfortunately not able to be with us. Quite a number of other members of Parliament were involved in that. My colleagues on this side, Tim Costley, Cam Brewer, and Tom Rutherford. And we worked really, really collegially together to make sure that we got this bill into a place where it will get through this House unanimously. And I don't think we've actually we thanked a little bit the officials, but I do want to place on record, and I'm probably going to miss someone here, our thanks to all the officials from the different agencies, the Department of Internal Affairs, MB through the Department, or through Immigration, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade, Pacific Peoples. And the fact that you have so many agencies just illustrates what looked like a simple bill wasn't. It became very, very complicated. Every time you peeled the onion a little bit, it got more and more complicated. So I want to place on record my thanks to all of those officials. But my biggest thanks is to the Samoan community. And I just want to say it's great to see you all here in the gallery with us. Talofa lava, awhio mai, and it is wonderful to have you here. This is your Parliament. This is your Parliament, and I hope that today is a way of your Parliament saying that we are your Parliament and proving that. I also want a very special welcome to His Excellency Ambassador Afamamasonga, Fa'amatalapu Toleofoa. I think I got that there. It's lovely to see you, Your Excellency. And also to Whalemai Lesa, who I believe is in the room as well. So, and thank you for your courage and what you did all the way back in 1982 and for following through on that, because without that, we would not be here today and we would not be celebrating this day. So thank you. And I'd also like to thank, as others have done, Arthur Anai, who has been absolutely diligent in pushing for this. And as others have said, you haven't quite got everything here, but it's a big step forward. So thank you, Arthur, and thank you for keeping on the case. It's been, as I said, a privilege to be on the Governance and Administration Select Committee to work through this complicated bill. As you've heard, we had in excess, or around 25,000 submissions, and actually on top of that, one of those submissions actually represented nearly 6,000 people. So effectively we had 30,000 voices from around New Zealand, but also from Samoa as well, and I think that shows the depth of feeling and the importance of this bill to the Samoan community. And I want to say, we heard you. We heard what you had to say. We heard your stories. We heard your hopes, your dreams. We heard the stories of your fathers, your mothers, your grandfathers, and your grandmothers. We heard clearly
the sense of a great injustice having been done in 1982. We heard your passion. We heard about the immense positive difference that you have made as the Samoan community in New Zealand. And I just want to say thank you for telling us your stories. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your positivity, and thank you for your grace in what you've done. What the bill does, well, first of all, as we know, it gives the right to citizenship for people born in Samoa between 13th of May 1924. When I wrote down 24, it's like going, oh, that's this year, but no, it wasn't. It was 100 years ago. And 31st of December 1948. It gives the right to apply for New Zealand citizenship and to know that it will be granted. To know that it will be granted. I was pleased that the House unanimously picked up and supported an amendment, which one or two of the other speakers have already mentioned. We deliberately tried to keep the price of application low in the first place, but we decided we would put a price on it simply because otherwise we might have an enormous number of applications which weren't eligible, and the Immigration Service was saying, please God, don't let us get overwhelmed by that. So we put a price on. But to me, the issue there was, why should you have to pay for something which was already yours? So you pay up front, and the amendment which the House unanimously supported, which I thank you all for, from myself and from New Zealand First, was that you will get that money back. So you don't have to pay for what you already had. This bill, soon to be an act, is built on a history. And it's not a history that New Zealand can be very proud of. New Zealand took over Samoa, the great colonial way as things were in those days, from Germany at the beginning of the First World War. New Zealand held Samoa as a protector, as a mandate country, until independence on the 1st of January 1962. There were a whole series of citizenship acts in New Zealand, and it was actually only in 1948 that New Zealanders became New Zealand citizens. Before that, New Zealanders were British citizens. But to me, when you look at that legislation, it's quite clear that people born in Samoa, when Samoa was a protector of New Zealand, were New Zealand citizens. Because if not New Zealand citizens, then what? Because Samoa was not recognised. So what other than being a New Zealand citizen? And that really is at the heart of this case. And that was the heart of Whalemā Lesa's case. How can I be an overstayer if I'm already a New Zealand citizen? Now, the courts in New Zealand said, no, that can't be right. But the Privy Council said, yeah, that's right. Yes, you are a New Zealand citizen. And then, of course, the government of the day, with the support of the opposition of the day, all the parties of that House said, actually, no, we don't like that, so we're going to remove that. And that is the injustice which we're putting right today. As I said, it's not a history that New Zealand can be proud of. It was negligence, a bit of arrogance probably in there as well, that led to a New Zealand ship docking in Samoa during the influenza, and 1 in 5 of the Samoan population perished as a result. It was probably worse than negligence when New Zealand forces opened fire on a peaceful demonstration in 1929, killing 11 people. And then, of course, I don't know what you could call it other than racism to say that how New Zealand behaved during the Dawn raids. So New Zealand does not have a proud record. And as we went through the process of hearing some of the submissions, I kind of wondered, why is it that you want to be part of New Zealand? So I say sorry on behalf of that, and you've had apologies over time, but New Zealand does not have a proud record in terms of our relationship with Samoa. In terms of the bill, we considered several key issues. First of all, do we agree with the core of the bill? And the answer now unanimously is yes, we do. Secondly, do we repeal the 1982 Act because it's much hated, it's a good symbol to repeal it, or do we amend it? And we decided on majority to amend it. And the reason for that was, apart from MFAT saying to us, please don't repeal it, because there are a whole bunch of things tied up in the Treaty of Friendship. And we've only actually got one Treaty of Friendship with New Zealand, and that is with Samoa, because it will cause ructions in that. But the 1982 Act, of course, also included a faster pathway to citizenship. So if you're in New Zealand, you don't have to wait the 5 years, which other people do. And I remember as the Mayor of Wellington, I always used to ask in citizenship ceremonies, which are a wonderful thing, in citizenship ceremonies, how long had people been in New Zealand? Oh, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 20 years, 30 years. Samoan people, it's usually, oh yeah, a year, maybe. It was a faster pathway, so we didn't want to get rid of that. We'd have had to rewrite that into some other piece of legislation had we repealed it. But the important thing was, I think, we've got to the right place, is the title of the bill got changed. Changed the title to Restoration. restoration, something that was always should have been yours, being restored. And I think that that is a really good, positive thing to do. As I said, citizenship will be automatic. You just have to apply. And there's just to finish off with, there's a couple of other things outside the bill, and I was really, really strong on this personally. One of them was we heard a lot of submissions saying we want the ease of being able to move backwards and forwards. Whether we're a citizen, whether this affects us or not, it's the ability to be able to move backwards and forwards for family reasons, for events, whatever it might be, for celebrations. That's really important, and that is one thing that we as a select committee have said to the executive, please can you have a look at that? And we heard the leader of the opposition saying that they would support that as well. And the final one I wanted to say was we also heard a little bit, not a lot, a little bit about superannuation. Normally it takes 10 to 20 years to get superannuation depending on the age, but that is something that New Zealand First will look at very, very thoughtfully, give very careful thought to. So once again, I commend the bill to the House, but this is a special day, it's a happy day, whaafatai lava. Thank you.
This is a 5-minute split call. Debbie Naraiwa Paka.
Tēnā koe te pika. O te tū atu I luma nei, I awi au māsui o tangata whenua. O mukapuna Samoan Māori e langolango lei, mamalu o tangata Samoa. Hōle nei tula whanua. Ia whamanuia atu o mātou tupuna I o outu. Ia aumai le atua, le manuia mō tātou, whawhitai lava. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, kei aku wakatamarahi ki te rangi, kei aku wakataitei ki te whenua. Tēnā tātou katoa. E tuana hau hei māngai I ngā kai kōrero mō te Pāti Māori, e kaha tautoko ana I tēnei kaupapa o tira, e te pānuitanga tuatoro o tēnei pire. Kei aku whanaunga o te moana nui a kiwa, no koutou te rā, e tika ana te kōrero e ki ana papake mai, ngā nunui, wawaratia, ngā tairere e ripo e ngā ngaru nui, te rehutai e konei rā. The great waves crash, the currents spread, swirling with the large wave of the foam of the sea. This is the kōrero that describes our whanaungatanga, and the power of the movement of the ocean, signifying the movement of the significance of today. And in this case, the significance of you, our whanaunga, our tuakana. We are one moana, we are one people, we are multiple waka. It is right, it is pono, it is tika to always be here and witness when something so kino, so bad, is being removed. We acknowledge all who had to stand in the face of this harmful racist legislation, and for all our mokopuna today who continue to have to confront the experience of racism, discrimination, for those who don't believe and feel the beauty of our whanaungatanga, of our mokopuna, of our Samoan mokopuna, our Māori mokopuna, our Pacifica mokopuna. It is heartbreaking to know what you had to endure. And we stand in sadness for all of our tupuna who didn't get to experience this today. If only this House could stop creating harm. We call on you as our tuakana because you are not immigrants. You are not immigrants. Citizenship is about whanaungatanga and wakapapa. And if we were running our country, the ability to flow with the moana in and out, around and back, would happen as seamlessly as it did in the past. That is what citizenship for us is about. Today, we celebrate what has been achieved and what has been fought for. Huge mihi to you, our brother, Tiano, who had the vision and the boldness and the humility to be able to negotiate this to where it is today. Our wakapapa is something to be treasured. And while it is that we hear the lament of those in this House who have apologised and have supported this bill, I acknowledge you all. I acknowledge the mokopuna of those who had to experience this great deep sadness and what it is that they turned up yesterday for us. Because your teina here are going to call on you and need your tautoko for what we're confronting as well. He wa no whānau. This is a celebration to Wakanui you, to Wakanui the strength, the vision, the guts of those who never gave up, and may that always be flowing through the bloods of our mokopuna today as they had to continue to fight, but also enjoy the blessings of our God, who made sure that we got to be here today to enjoy and be able to see what it is for us to experience kotahitanga. So Te Pāti Māori has the absolute honour to be here to tautoko this bill. May we never ever see the repeat of this in our history, and may we be brave and bold enough to continue to push for what it is that we know is real and true. I thank you for the honour of my mokopuna and the most beautiful son-in-law that I could ever have, our manu tai whānau. You have graced us with every strength that we could have, and together we will continue to look at what the waters and the moana brings us. Ngā nō reiri te āhuatanga o tātou tupuna, ngā mihi aroha kia koutou katoa.
Just before I call Ricardo Menendez March, I've just had a discussion with the previous speaker as we come in. Clapping is great, but it's actually broadening out the time. All parties have spoken now, so maybe we'll just save our chair and our waiata for the end. Not wanting to stamp down your excitement, but let's have a big celebration at the end. Thank you. Ricardo Menendez March.
Tēnā koe, Mr. Speaker. I just firstly want to acknowledge that this is a bill about justice and reconciliation. And I note your comments, Madam Speaker, about clapping, but I can't avoid but feel the wairu and the energy from the gallery around how momentous and historic this is. And I just want to commend your validation and basically your words by nature of the reciprocity when it comes to how you engage with this debate. And I want to acknowledge the long-standing history of advocacy and campaigning from Samoan communities for truth. Because actually, when I heard submitters rewatching the amazing words that were spoken in Select Committee, actually many people were simply speaking the truth in the pursuit of justice. And people were seeking for intertwined histories to be recognized, the good, the bad, the ugly, including our shameful history of colonization. And when we're here finally in this stage, I think there's an opportunity to set the terms of how we move forward, not just in this bill, but in any other policy that touches your communities. I want to acknowledge my friend and colleague Tiana Tuiono and our beloved Whānana Efeso Collins, who we carry with us every single day. I know how much this bill meant to him and the communities that he served. This bill has been decades in the making. I know that many have acknowledged Falemai Lesa for her amazing advocacy and fight to have her rights recognized. But for any MP who does constituency work, we know that we continue to see members of the Samoan community who have been deemed overstayers and how they have to plead to the system for the connections with Aotearoa to be recognized. This is a fight that no one should have to have. And I think this bill will be one step to avoid having members of the communities pleading their case for what is simply theirs and was always theirs to begin with. I wanted to echo the words of Auckland University Law lecturer Dylan Afaso, who when he was talking about the history of why we had this bill, he noted the moral panic. And if I quote him, he said, it was one of the most racist pieces of legislation on the books. It came about because the Malden government deemed Pacific migrants a danger to New Zealand society. If the government is genuine and wants to apologize for the racism of the Dawn raids, then it needs to repeal this piece of legislation to at least offer to Samoans who had their citizenship rights revoked through that legislation to get their citizenship back. And today, I think we're finally getting one step closer to the words that were spoken in the Dawn raids apology by the government, because I think those words needed to be carried by action. And that was actually what the people on that day communicated to politicians. The Green Party fought for justice to be delivered in full. And I want to acknowledge every other political party that worked collaboratively with my colleague Tiana Tuiona to get to a place where the bill could have unanimous support. But I do want to note that submitters asked for descendants to be included. I want to note that submitters asked for the fees to be completely waived. And submitters also pleaded to politicians to look beyond the scope of this bill, to look what justice actually looks like in full. Many noted that our immigration system continues treating Pacifica as a danger to New Zealand. And I think this is reflected by the fact that we continue asking Samoans to fork out hundreds of dollars to apply to visit their relatives. I know submitters asked us to look at the broader immigration settings, and the Greens remain committed for Samoa to be a visa waiver country, for the rights of RSC workers to be improved, for workers to have pathways to residency, and for us to finally put in place an amnesty for so-called overstayers. Those are all things that the Green Party will continue backing the submitters and members in the community who have long campaigned for justice to be delivered. Because what I see today in the gallery and across the nation over the past few days is a rising movement for Pacifica justice, for Tiriti justice, and a recognition that our histories and our liberations are intertwined. That I am not free until all of us are free. And I want to end by commending this bill to the House and in hope that we can all move forward in delivering full and true justice, as previous speakers have said, and that we can collaborate to get Samoa to be a visa waiver country as soon as possible. Kia ora.
Tim Costley.
Whaatalofa atu e le mbaya ma le mamalu o Samoa o Botoboto. Talofa lava, Madam Speaker. In my office in Levin proudly hangs some artwork. Artwork that represents our community in Horowhenua. Artwork from Fiji, Aotearoa, Tonga, and at the top there, I know you can't see it from the gallery, but proudly it says Manu Samoa. Table the art. Table the art. Well, I've been asked to table it, and I would happily do so. It is done by students at Taitoko School in Levin, our lowest decile school, but the most amazing school, and the most amazing children that represent their Pacifica community so well. And on the school, on the murals, they have big murals from these different Pacifica countries, including Kiribati as well, that hang up. And I'm just so proud of them, not just of their art, but of what they bring to our community, the important role that Pacifica play in Horowhenua especially. And so proud to represent them and all of us here today. And I want to just start by noting the character that we've seen from our Samoan community over 110 years. The patience, the dignity, the willingness to persevere, working through our democratic institutions, our parliamentary system, to fight for the right outcome, but also to fight in the right way. You know, I think we have seen the depth of character from our Samoan community, one that inspires me. I see it in all our Pacifica communities, but I see it particularly in Horowhenua and Levin, in the Otaki electorate, across New Zealand and of course, across the Pacific. And it has been a 110-year journey to get here. Think back to 1914, when the UK asked New Zealand to go to Samoa and take over what was a German colony. No consultation, clearly not with the Germans, but no citizenship promise either. 1924, following on from the Spanish flu, and again, we were told the intent at the time was clearly no citizenship. That is what we are overturning today. We are overturning that much of the 1924 and the clear intent of this bit of legislation. But it goes on, 1946, and the then Labour government made it very clear that the destiny of Samoa was no New Zealand citizenship. And while that legislation that came into force at the start of 1949 holds today, we are changing the bit that leads up to that we can. I have to acknowledge that the fight of Whalemau Elisa, what an honour to have you joining us here today, from 75 through to 82. But even then, after the victory in the Privy Court, the entire Parliament joins to say that there will be no citizenship. 2003, the petitions turned down by the government, no citizenship, even through 2018. And as I heard from Radio Samoa in Auckland, the commentary that all the hopes of what might be were not to be. This bill today is so significant. I have to acknowledge Te Ana Tuiono for your work and bringing it where no one else was willing or able to do so, answering the question that many just let go walking by. Now, the number of people impacted today might be small, but the significance is large. The symbolism is huge.
Ia, ole na Samoa ia a whai o lo fia whau pea lo bai moa ia i le tātou whanutanga le nei whai taunga lono tolu ia o le pili o le toe whaafusia o le Citizeni New Zealand ia mo le tātou atunu o Samoa ia anga ia ne i le website o le videos.parliament.nz videos.parliament.nz ia o le tātou website le nā po le tātou penga te whailangi ia mawhai o na whaauawilo mai moa i le tātou porkalame po o le whaauawina fhoi ia o le whaitaunga lona tolu ia o le tātou pili nei i le inai ia Wellington o lea o le tātou se atu inisi fhoi whasalonga whapisinisi o na tātou i fhoi mailea ia vai se tātou whiloa inga mas tātou talanoanga ia ma le afionga ia savea o lo o lena malanga i lo i Wellington ia awa fo i o le tātou whaitanga lona tolu ni o le pili ia lo sfulu 5 minute o te enele i tulai 5 ma futu mai pelo ala le radio Samoa tasi 5 i tolu amo o le Port Kalamile ni o le nganga ifo o whaiva
Talo fa Samoa wa ule nei o kasu tialu a wale suia le ngila o le kio a eva mai i le se fulu 5 i va kolu amo Radio Samoa Vevela a
O le vetu au lele ma le vetu ta iala o ngā amata e mawalunga lana au nanga tau Early Childhood Education po a o ngā amata Samoa ma le Pasifika i Mangele e iai whaia o ngā le stala ma whaia o ngā lango wa lava tā pena mo le awa o ina o le whanau e uti a wanoa o lo o tutoe au alai te whaatuai ai lesi tala nei loa lo walo kala au mai i le olua tasi tolu 5 fitu valu iwa fitu olua tasi tolu 5 fitu valu iwa fitu e whaatulanga ai se taimi e te asi mai ai.
Masala ua e ai i whale fō mai, po o ta vale ale fono ma e whape ane ua nao au nanga tau soifua malolo ina ma nifo mātau te whaia. E tele le whasosoani e maua ia mātau. Whasosoani mo le ola manuia o le mawhauwhau. Polo kalame e tau fia ai le tau mawhatapaa. Whasosoani mo tina ma pepe. Whasosoani mo whaia o siaki i le whale mai. Whasosoani mo sauwanga i a inga. Whasosoani mo whanau ua hiu ma le a onga. Mo nisi whamatalanga, tanga i ane i lupenga ta whailangi www.thefono.org. Pe vala au le o valu selau, Fono for you. O valu selau, tolu ono whavalu.
O le R-Dash Travel, o le company numera tasi le taungo fio pasese mo whemalanga inga i Samoa whapea le malanga mai i Samoa i New Zealand Day. A whea de loa i le ofisa o le R-Dash Travel, tasi valu 5 Great South Road i Marurua. Pe vili mai i le telefoni tolu iwa lua o wha o. Tolu iwa lua o wha o mo le R-Dash Travel.
O mana o mie oe po se isi alo a inga se fisoso ani tau whemalanga inga mo New Zealand. I mata au po pei o le vaita mai no whanau po ngā luenga. A whai o lau tali o le ioe, wala au loa Ken Ferniho o le Fern Immigration Services. E iai lana lai sene, ma ua silia ma le se fulu 5 tau sanga o lana tau tua. E toa tele tangata o fisoso ani iai Ken, i mata au po tau whemalanga inga. E au fia ai mata au puna o atu le Tribunal, ma apili le Minister. Tanga iane i le mato Facebook, ma le upenga te whailangi i molimau. Mo nisi whamtalanga, wala au mai le Fern Immigration Services, ma tala noa i alu isa, i le oiwa, lua ono lua, tolu lua lima tolu. Lua ono lua, tolu lua lima tolu. Po le o lua tasi, tasi lima tasi, o lima.
Tasi 5 iwa tolu amo. Radio Samoa.
Io e lewa sfulu fiti minutu pe tene le tula lima ia o lea o fie le nganga ia o leo va tasi mele fionga ia sevea le ia tau pesta ia mai le loi Wellington i lona malanga lea na malanga ana leila tau e fa talo fa tu i lo fionga sevea ia malo lavro sa i malo fo i le malanga manuia ia tali tonu lo fa fonga mai le malu tanto tu ia i mai mo mai lunga tanto Facebook live le tanto YouTube live. Ya, amai so fini ngalo fo mo le lava sevea o le aso tanga ia tu ma lo fa fonga tu i le tanto fai tango lo tonu i le funa tanga i nai Wellington.
Ia, alo fa tai lo sunga lauli Isaac Paua le fai ale ta fa tala no a o anga i le sabaringa on sai bela
Ia, le
oh sorry.
Ia, ole da mo i tantou ia lo silafia mo lau silafia ia ole fiunga e sevele ia tau pestalo o malanga i loi Wellington e mo le faitanga lo tonu le pili toi fa sia Sydney New Zealand mo tangata Samoa ia na fana na mai le tausanga tasi iva fa se fulu ma le valu ia pe asa o lo ia pe sa o lo man tu sevea ia
ia
mo le lava mo mai so fini ngalo
bona fatalo fatu ele lo tatu to do fafinga tana boa upu pamatala ise la ngona le nei Jamie tapo inga malu Samoa mai ona au so yo nei a pe foi mai mongo tele se yo i mongo iti ele ngata ile le tapo inga sungai fafinga inga Samoa poto yo na tulanga mapopo le fato hanga i mai fafo ua tapena e usu le pese ono pati fa fai amata mai le national te yo le New Zealand First te yo atu le ACT Party o mai le Labour o mai le Te Maori Party o le mea lava e tasi sauranga uma te ta yo dei party wala to yoi nai ma pasia te fa le tonu mai tau fa mai le fa soli tu la fono na fa yo dei me New Zealand le telo to sanga o mai mai o se me le anga ma se me se sa fatino o le ua fa sa o le so se talo fa solfito le ele tato o tu o Samoa fa pe fo i lo la to va no fo ma New Zealand mo na te tai ma o le nganga fifi le na o stala pupu atu le na lau pai masalo e tanga i foi masila Samoa ma le lalolangi ato i ato tato wata le atu ina atu i lunga le o le Port Columba ia ma news foi le televise ma le lalolangi le fiafia na nei o se mitanga ia teau le avea masui o le tato le tio le si fongo Samoa e ngā ngai fo whaiva ai mai se foi o le tano ava e malanga mai ai ma avea fo o se moli mau ona ele ngata i lea o le ubi o le tatu savaringa talu ona whaatula i mai ele fionga le rifai pule i atu yono ia le mata upule nei o le toila langa ina o le seni New Zealand o te ngata Samoa e la ngona ai le wha maulalo i lumo le tua ia ai mai se o le nganga whaaftai, o le aveo se mori mau, i le nei mata upu. O le taimi nei, ia oa tapena Samoa, e langi ina le pese, e whaaftai ai le tua, ia o na ngai lea i le tali ngā sua, ma le whaafe a le parti o le Green. This is a historical moment for all Samoans around the world. Ia, iei fo i lava tangata sa lato, amu mai mafai mai ele se be tatou te mafai ele au mai le sitseni o Samoa ma fa pena foi ona fa pe mai ia ai longa tau no le miti ai le tu atu le taf tolu a Samoa ilana sailinga malo le Pacific Leaders Forum i ai telenga no wenga pele ai Edwin Puni fa pena foi le latu komiti le tu pao Samoa Olo te fono ele fionga la lori. ia puleai semi puleai le fono fau tua mamalu o Samoa e pena ia le fionga ia to filau Ted Stanley ia ma unei o le fonga ma le failau tusi o le fono fau tua mamalu o Samoa ai maise o le tapo inga o le mafutanga so fatasi a whawhia ngainga lo wha malu i nei ngā yo inga uma ma nei ngā ruenga le ala le nā la sunga la uli ma le whawhonga mai o le atunu ua mai ona tātou suhi le titi suhi fo i le ula ma lafo i tau au o le pāle mene ai maise le pionga i le o le alihi whaipule i atu yono ia o lea ua tau lau o ai o la pena ia ma ua mai ai le nei mata upu ma o se tala fia mo le whawhonga mai ia o le so la tapena tuai loa ma le tula fono o le aso lua o le vai aso fong e ta tala ai loa ma tātou applications anai o tātou matua ia o i lalo i fo le lima afe po le wha afe ia tātou matua wanga vaa mo nei whaamarianga ia o le vai aso lava lea o le a ta penai ia ma whaatanga i loa ta tala i le lalo langi ato lo iai ofisa o ampasa hai komisio ni sila i le lalo langi ato o fea lavo lo iai Samoa le tau toe o mai i ni sila e o fo ia tātou i Samoa o le amawhai no ane i le hai komisio Samoa o ni sila i tonu lava o pia ma whaatino ai ia lato ka taro sanga o se ai lea mo Samoa e ano fo ia tu te mo sola tātou ki tala noa ma whasoa i nei mata upu. Ia ai ino mai le lalolangi mai lātou e loto leanga e lātou te le fia whaia se ngā nuenga le lei mo Samoa. O le tātou osi ngā tau langa lea na whaia nei. Mo isi. A tātou wola mo isi. O tātou mātua ma mātua o tātou mātua. Ma e na soifua mai. I le awhim se lau luas fuma le whāsa i o. I le awhim se lau whāsa fuma le iba. O le a o whaaria tupo i la soa tai au le website e a ngai ai. Ia le tōtele o le tātou atunu e mai moa ma sila iai. Ma le awala e mawhai o na whaatino ai. Ia tātou sanga. E tatala i le vai aso fau i le aso lua. Ia o le tūlanga le nā whapupu atuai. Ai ua o tele vave mai whafu e tari atu. Ono lo whafonga le atunu ma tapu mai. A o toi anga i atu. O le au le iai i le whaafe. Ma le taringa malo la wanga i atu loa. I le malai valele. E a toi tape na atu ai. Mo au kilandi. Ia o le tala fia le nā mo Samoa i le whafonga mai le lalolangi atoa. Langa i tō tele i la tō sa te te. Ma tau whai mai ma amu mwhape mai. E le ma whai lava. A o le tafa tolu leo Samoa. Lea na lato ngā rurue ma le fionga i le ri whai pule i atu iono. A wasa iei fo i le tele o tangata. Na tau ma whai e mi milo mai le ulu o le pili ale ri whai pule. E whai po sa lato mea tōtino. A e wha u mani siu i le fionga i le ri whai pule. Lea la. Nā o ngā i tele tātou tali ngā mālo i te tai o whaupai, o vaenga whaupai, ma whawharetui ese. Le National, le Winston Peters, ma le New Zealand First, whapena fōi, le Act, David Seymour, ma le Act. Ia lea o tau lau o le whamoe. Ia ma wā atoa tino le tama, ua whamanuia mai le atua. O te tonu lauli Isaac, te wama ai i le meo le langona o loi mata malingi. Ia sa iai ma le lo matua sa mawhelua i ma le tina ia whare mai le sa. Ia ma le telefoi. Ia o le tātou ofisa o le High Committee le fionga ia to le fua whamsanga whamtala. O le so foi o se tai au fau. Na mātou tau nuu mai. Ai whai loa ma submissions. Verbal submissions a ngā ilunga le suma. Mai le ofisa o whaamsinonga i Samoa. Le komiti whafoe ale pale mene o Samoa i le toe laulu liwina ma le ilo i longa o mata upu o whaamsinonga whanua ma swafa. Ai mai se o pili i e tolu na whatu luafe luasfulu lea na vea iau na tui. O le fono fau tua Samoa. Tātui na atu le tātou verbal submission I lungo le Zoom, i le official high commissioner Samoa i Wellington nei. Pa pena foi le sui o le vaenga pe ona iai tele ai ma le Civic Leaders Forum ta patino foi le lato submission. Ia le ngata i lea le vasenga whawhiangainga o maftanga a whaifi au sto whatasi. Ia ma le tau mawhainga foi o Wellington ia. Ia pe o se tasi na ma ta upu ta ua moe lua ai le seunga i le laubua i Wellington nei ma le official o le komisina o Samoa, le high komisi, dana fionga ia afamasanga tole fua, whaamatala, ia mamea sa tutupu. O le nei aso, o le amanatua pea, i aso o le soifua, ma le tala whaasolpito, o le tātou o tunu. Le ngata, o maua i le sao, i le tūlanga, o submissions e whaia i le iloilonga, komiti whaafoi, ma le komiti whaapitoa, o mata upu tau le whaamsinonga, whanua maswafa, ma le teu wina, o le tūlafono, o le tūlafono whaavai, o Samoa, ai mese foi, o le apili a ngai, the Supreme Court, whaatasi ai, ia ma whaamsinonga, o savili ia whapea foi, solinga tūlafono, po le Civil and Criminal Court, ale malo Samoa. Ia o le tala atu lea, a iei se pa atu atu, ma wiki atu, ai whaafei tele atu wavanoa. Mai Wellington nei, le atou Severe Sayuli, Al Harrington, Tumanu Vaulavea, mo le ngā ngaifo o whaiva le Radio Samoa, ma le tātou por kalame turi au pūpea le tunu, o le tātou por kalame, te o na masani e yasto nai, o le tānoa awa e te mawari sao. Ai whaasoi fuia mo le teminei.
Malo whaptai Savea ia manui tele toi malanga mai nei au kilani, tātou whairua ili hasuantai au soifuia ma ia manuia.
Whaatek.
Ia o le nasa mo e nau whaafonga tun malu tātou atunu. Ia ele fionga ia Savea le ia taua pesita, ia o lo malanga i laloi Wellington, ia awa fo ili whaitaunga lono tolu, o le pili o le toe whaafusia o sitiseni o tangata Samoa, sitiseni New Zealand, mo tangata Samoa se ia fio maile toe fio maile fionga ia Savea le aso adao ia toe whauaule tātou mata upule na taimi lunga wanti ia o leo e lua se lewa whatonu lava le Julai 5 whaamalo atu ia le malu tātou atunu ia o lo whaatasi mai lunga ia le tele o whale whainga luenga ia mai tātou fo i o lo whaatasi mai i lunga le tātou Facebook Live, le tātou YouTube Live, i maunta malawa, malo lava rona sai, malo fo i le tau atai, i le aso lulu nei le aso lua sfulu o November, lua fe lua fa, e mafutu mai pelo ala leo Radio Samoa, tasi lima i vitolu a mo, o le tātou pora kalamne nei ole, nganga ifo o whaiva.
Ua mawhai o na aura tula polo kalame le leimo o ia so taitasi o na o le langolango malo si le whale maliu a se alo le atunuu o ese tātupu Funeral Directors i Manukau City.
Ta alofa lava i le swafa malu e whaavavau o Yesu Keriso o le natura ma le masani o le tangata i taia uma e whaamaina lea o tātou tino le vai. O se vaenga whaatau ina tele le whaamamama fulu esi ni palapala ma ota mai o tātou tino. O le winga moni lea, o le ao atu Yesu Ionaso, i le vangalia Ioane e se fuluma lima lona whaiupa taudu le lima. O le nei, ua wha maina o toi upu po mana vanga pa ia, ua outau talatua i ate o tau. I le whaiunga o le whaiupa e lima, a le ai au, tau te le mawhai o na whaia seme. Without me you cannot do anything. O lono winga o le ala moni, o le ola fau, le mafau, o le nganga fau, o le nganga o Yesu Keriso. Ua wha maina le upo le tua. O le nganga fau, ua wha apipii i le fatu o Yesu. O na fua mai leo le mafau Yesu le tangata, o le tautala, o le amio, o le loto, o winga wha alia, poto maleta mai, o filifilinga uma. O se ao onga leimo tātou uma, o le aveo tātou matangata kerisiano. Le na o se ingoa, e ilo ai, pe o se ofu e wha iloa mai ai. Ai o se matawha ioi ma le wala wina iai o na iainga e matua i wha atawa ina. Ma le matau, ma le wha pele iai. O le wha matanga fui ina o le olanga atoa le tangata ilona wha vai mautu, o lona manuia e wha ngalue mai i le wha mamaina i awa onga le tuspa ia i le anganga le mawhauwhau, langona, tino, ma le tamau ainga. I te tala lo loto ma lo anganga e wha mamaine le fionga le tua, ia so umalava. E te manu iai, ma e malolo inai, ma ola sa aloto ai I lo o langa atoa, ma manatua e le lei mo oi.
O le ese tatupu Funeral Directors o se fale maliu Samoa o le tali foilea o taimi whaingata ona o le malanga al maliu maleonti e mawhaifoi o na latu awinatu ma awina mai tino maliu o e pele mai so o se atu nuo lanolangi mala auno le ese tatupu Funeral Directors I le lua no lua toru fitu o pea fiu ane ele se fulu malebalu Norman Spencer Drive in Manuka City.
Radio Samoa. Taslima Ivatolu. Amo.
Hello? Mom.
So I
alisa o atu Lea lo famoni lea o te no fomau Ele o sa o fia tama matu Alo o fia manu malo ila o fatu E te fiulaga e te faali Wana olo o ata mo o pati pati Wati leina o to faali libe A uba haya to e matangi tangi E te fiulaga e te to atuli Ina ia suya ya winga faali Te to fata fa o ela o hani Be e te lela batatari fa a fita uli
Baby awe eika, awa ngai a fika Ngalo olo fwe whaari a lu mai kaika Te mao ye e masangi a sore a masore hangi E ringa o se fia e ke muere ngi lalangi O le mafu angle ngā o whaari a ko winga le anga Ke mao ye e masangi a soe so wai o le masa A wa a whae wei koe ringa o se whukausanga E likala i o ke wha wau le ai o nganga O makiwa, ka lia a kele o kupe fia Ka lia le manguia, ka lia le mawhakia A o lea o wai aku ua lewanga e saumia Beli lo mai mama, te kolo le manguia
E te fiulaga e te faali Wana olo o ata mo o pati pati Wahati leina o to faali libe A uba aia to e matangi tangi E te fiulaga e te to atuli Ina ia suya ya winga faali Te to fata fa o ela uhani Be e te la batatari fa a fita uli
Kua o kia o ela ua mio ngā ia e whai ia O sa wai whai pare busu e wha au le kilo e whaasea We make that story mo excuse wo pare pasia Kile o fulanga le kau mu i me sea O volo maso salo se kuia lo inga inga Wha pare pale pea o e inga ngiwha i pe mo sasa Kama whakanga e pei o alau ngaka i nungo kapa E makinga ka e suenga ka se alo whai ngā kamaka Ki kele a pesenga ia e makua i le uo Awa o ka lai kau whalili Ai e se lo o rufa wha maungi a oino wow Yo!
Ole asuya tu baby lau si kaili O lau su e ngalea Ua pasi Na o faita o e la u baby A olea ua leva na e sauni Wa o wila a o e ua sili Wa sa o hale tangata na o fili fili Mo i o teleta solo muli O oiolo u tofi e o ile o ti Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. ¿Cómo es? Dame una vueltita otra vez. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Tú la ves. Cómo hacer lo suyo, tú la ves.
Hasta la valía falta. Pasado, pasado. Na lava l'ultimo Ubariatu lo famo Tu sapete a ele olo Lauti pule l'uloto Afuni ukuwa elafo Lauti fa amangano Sang lava se aso It's right for me I love the time you to the time I saw it Ule oi no la Sore ma fofa Bole mo di nga kama Wale anga yume It's right for me I love the time Sapete a ele olo Lauti pule l'uloto Boa funi upu a elafo Lauti fa mangano Sang lava se aso It's right for me I love the time you to the time I saw it Ule oi
Valea Sungai ka mai po ole a eu wingo ngi mo mea mo fo ma fo fa pe fa pe e lo u fa ku wa ka e wa ka fika fea o u le ma o le ma ku le kinga o le ni mea fa a mo le sunga wa la valea o i ka fo i wa u ma fu se manga ai u i lea sa wi a inga e anu pe ia ma o fa ia o e ki o la mai fa fo ngai le sia ro mai se fa o loa ma fa ia sunga mai o kai le u ma ko la o ni ba e pe so e se nga ma winga ma o le lea mai po i o me o ka ai no fa mo kai Wai pura ma wale o wa e pasa mai na wa o ma o wale o mai nga o la ma wa fo su mo le pa nga o la yo e wa ya e fai mai kasi me ko i masi o nga kawi ko sang tu fa lo na ko fa wa ko ai ai so sa
mai fai mai I love the time you to the time I saw it Ule oi no la Sore ma fo fa Bole mo di nga kama Wale anga yume It's right for me
Terremoto, 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 dale duro, terremoto, 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 dale duro, te pone bien loca cuando a ti te toca, toda la sandunga en ese bombo te choca, choca, tú no bailas como yo, tú no bailas como yo, mucho piquete, mucho flow, flow, nos matamos con el shake it, 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 shake it. Shake it, 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 ¿cómo es? Dame una vueltita otra vez.
Matango fi na wa ilala, be asulu ye na yo love nuwa, le mwana ila le masina. Oh mata ango be dina tawita, be lanu wa ipe yo susana, be yo sei a eta oto wa tumanga. Afaya tele yo. Man next to my time mafuta Utele pipelo yate ole la Masute yo tua oila umasima Na otu mauti noa ua bisia Oya ole ema with papa sa tau ole fai manu vai su le ai si tasi folinga mata e pele lava oi lo fatu fai uangalo ya oi le alo fa male lo tuma wala lo sau fila sau fa ima io alta fa se fai le alo fi amatai ole fa long ole le se fai mai o se u if I'm in love, I love to there. Love for your love, but feel love there. Fall in love for my there. If I'm for you, fully Malaysia. If I'm in love, I love to there. Love for your love, but feel love there. Fall in love for my there. If I'm for you, fully Malaysia. Hey, 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 hey. So love fire out of hey, 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 hey.
Se ngofo mai ai dau, malola mai le ki, ai au ke ka au, o ka mai ki o mo kele mena ku mu fa alo ai malo mo lalu, ai fa ya esasi, nginga la pa ku fai ku fa, ai mai o kule o uma ai ko ia ia le fu e mai ko o lo la ngai ku si ai nga mo mai fo, mo malu mo pa ia e fa me le le lo, la ko la me fa sa ku la fai, fai me ko o lo fu fa sale le ala, la ko kule la wa wa, anga e mo mai kule sale au le malai e fale nga fulu ma fofonga anga I fo mo fa me ye tule sa fo finga o lo malai e si o si o mi e fale lo ku singango e ku malo e tule a sa o lo malai fongo o maki ai u au pa solo mai le ku sale ngo le fala mana mana mai ku ka si fale ku malai lo tamau a sa pa lo di sifo ma pa lo le fale fai ku le pa lo I lo malai fongo I veilo a sengo a ko ki ngore kama ma au le lei sala fai e o nga mo pa io le kala le lei me mi le loco fai ma sei wa sa fala le lei le mo fai ma fai la sala fai e au le lei
if I'm in love, I love to there. Love for your love, but feel love there. Fall in love for my there. If I'm for you, fully Malaysia. If I'm in love, I love to there. Love for your love, but feel love there. Fall in love for my there. If I'm for you, fully Malaysia. Hey, hey, hey. So love fire out of hey, 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 hey. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Tú la ves, cómo hacer lo suyo, tú la ves. Las botellas arriba, el combo en la mesa.
Whai Salomo, e whāsanga ai o mata I maunga, e umai ai lo'u whe so ane, o lo'u whe so ane e mai I le overlea, o la nā whaia le langi atua ma le lalolangi. Whawhetai Samoa, ele tō auai mai lenei aso e muli mawina, le aso ole atou whaafoa fo'i atu ai le Citizeni, New Zealand, mō tangata Samoa. I love Wednesdays. They start early with morning prayer at the cathedral just over the road. It's a weekly reminder of where the real power lies. Sometimes my prayers are requests. This morning they were only praise. For today is a good day. It's a very good day. I spoke about this with Savia last Friday on Radio Samoa. Good to have you here, Savia. In the gallery today is Pastor Tomasi Aiono, who hails from the villages of Whasitio o Uta and Lona Whangaloa. Tomasi is the second eldest of 10 children. His parents, Aiono Whina Imika and Ngāwha Aiono, lost their citizenship in 1982. 2 years later, they sent their son to New Zealand to pursue a better future. Tomasi found a job, worked incredibly hard, and over the next 6 years was able to bring both his parents and siblings to New Zealand. He and his family planted a church in Ellerslie. They adopted and cared for many children and have blessed and continue to do so thousands of New Zealanders. Tomasi's wife, Ioka Aiono, is also here today. She hails from the village of Saliapanga. Ioka is the second eldest of 14 children. I thought we'd done all right with 5. She came to New Zealand in 1987 with the hope of bringing her parents, Uialatia and Faliosina Fawena, to New Zealand. She was never able to. Ioka, I'm sorry. But I know you have aunties and uncles who have lived to see their citizenship now restored. This is a good day. Tomasi and Ioka's daughter is my friend and colleague, Margaret Epati. Along with Shani Hatatio, we have the privilege and delight of together serving the people of Maungakiakia. Last Thursday after work, Margaret went to buy a dress, but the shop was closed, so she drove outside the electorate all the way to Ormiston Mall. She really wanted that dress. There she was approached by a distressed lady who asked if she spoke Samoan and could she help as her EFTPOS card had just failed at the supermarket and she was out of petrol to get home. As Margaret sorted those things, she asked her story. Losa Liota came to New Zealand just 2 years ago with her 4 children, but sadly not her husband. He was killed in a car accident in Samoa just after they qualified for New Zealand through the quota. And so a few weeks ago, Losa brought her mother to New Zealand. Alofa Toma is currently here on a 3-month visa and Losa is desperate for her to stay, as there is no one back home in Samoa to look after her and she needs her mum. Losa applied for a further visa for her mother, but at her advanced age, there was no chance. At that point, Margaret asked what year her mother happened to be born. And Losa replied that Alofa was born on the 17th of September, 1940. So Margaret told Losa about this bill, which she had not heard of, to make sure that they listen to this third reading now, because when this bill passes in a few minutes and she submits her application on Monday, her mother Alofa will again be a citizen of New Zealand. This is a good day. Aole uma lau tota langa, oti tō whawhetai atu Samoa. Oti whamanuia atu Samoa, I o tangata anuu, e tusu malau sa I linga malo. Whawhetai ilo, tō lango, malo si ina ia manuia le nei pili. A lia ua tali le atua. Whaamalo le loto toa, whaamalo le loto atunuu. Whai mai le efeso mua whai upu e tolu. La tātou whaawhitai atu I le atua, le tama o lo tātou ali o Iesu Kiriso. O le nā whaamanuia mai ia tātou I whaamanuia anga, whalia nana uma lava I mea o I le langi ona o Kiriso. Whaamanuia le atua, 685 to the world.
Okay, so appreciate to the gallery that you've waited a very long time. I just asked for your indulgence of about 30 more seconds. Members, I have some housekeeping before I put the question. At the conclusion of this order of the day, the House will be suspended for the dinner break and resume in committee at 7:30 p.m. for consideration of Members' Order of the Day number 2, Corrections Victim Protection Amendment Bill. The question...
O esi la fia e iwa tesi ma le tolu wha miliona tā la le se leni ale UTOS ua toi whaasafua atu I ona sui whai unite I le lua o lua wha. Whai sau teo ngā tupe e teo wha whainga luenga ai lau se leni ina ia wawe wha tau nuu se wha moe moe tā ua a lau a inga wha pe e ka le sia. Wha o ngā au nanga le ANZ po le tālofa voucher, le M tā la, ma le My Cash e ala I le Click X. Wha afso tai mai le ono valulima lua ono iwa wha iwa, le www.utos.ws, po le emaili o le info@utos.ws, po le Facebook, le UTOS, le whaaputu ngā tupe teo whaawhainga luenga o le mawaenga tausia Samoa, teo whaawhainga luenga e mātou lau seleni, ai sele e oe le manuia.
Talofa Samoa, o Ateshna Ryan, o le Licensed Immigration Advisor mo le Auckland South Immigration Consultants. E visosoani mo so se tu ai ngā visa e malanga mai e New Zealand po Australia. Telefoni mai nei loa I le o valu o tasi o no valu wha fitulua. Po le olua tasi o no valu fitulua tolu o.
Avia maua sosa Omega ka Iana lowi moa Omega ka Tabale tau mofie Omega ka Fili mai loile Omega ka
O Meka Cars, lua selau Kemetis Drive i Manukau. Pole telefoni o iwa lua vitfitu lima walu tasi lua.
Susu mai manukau ne Omega ka Umalole keisile Omega ka
Sunga o whenga whakau e lo kawale fō maunga Max Ila.
Senga uka amilo i au kilangi. Mo koe foi mai lava i o Tara i le Tire World and Auto Limited. Lea ma o aiso skoi ngā meg ma pa uka avar. A ole me Pico City. E ngā le lua lima ka alalwa ia so le kokongi.
Le Tire World and Auto Limited e te moa i ta avale ma pa utau ngofie ia New Zealand antoa. Mo fo i se ti mag wheels mo so se tu ai ngā ta avale ma le telo isi au unanga. Warren of Fitness i le na ole se fulu tala pia i wha i lo i eina e wha afafonga le Radio Samoa i nei wha abitoa. Talia wins quotes, cue cards, maisi. Walang lo le Tire World and Auto Limited i le lua fitu tasi tolu o mo pa uta avale. Po le lua fitu wha tolu lua o mo le fale inisinia.
Yo e taimi lunga wanti la ua tolu minutu pete enele tu la e ono yo e tolu minutu pete enele tu la e ono e ole nau whaafonga tunu malu le tātou atunu ua pāsia le whaitanga lona tolu e o le pili o le tue whaafosia o Citizen New Zealand o tangata Samoa ASI o le aso entaiao ia toe whaalau I tele le tātou matau pule nā ia mafutu mai pelo ala leo Radio Samoa sfuli mai vatolu a mo leo le a tātou se antui nei whaafifianga fo ile nei fo ia fiafi ia a o e malanga tu I tō maota ina ua mānawa fo inga luenga po ua nganga ifo o whaiva le sunga I DJ 651 ia malusu ia waino le la fiafifia tu mo e malpeso whainga wina tamo ala whaiva iaso o whaamiru tu petene le tu la e ono
What you done, my baby. Look what you've done to my heart. We made a date, you said maybe, then you walked away with another baby. Now look what you've done to my heart. I got so lonely blue. Lonely, lonely, lonely.
you done, my baby. Look what you done to my heart. I got some lonely, 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 lonely blue. Lonely, 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 me and you. I got some lonely, 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 lonely blue. Lonely, lonely.
Look what you done, my baby. Look what you done, my baby. Look what you've done to my heart. We made a date, you said maybe, then you walked away with another baby. Now look what you've done to my heart. I've got some lonely, 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 lonely blues. Lonely, 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 lonely blues. I've got some lonely, 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 lonely blues. Those
Yeah. Feel my feeling kula rangi kaya. You still shine more where my money. No matter where you go, no matter where you are. Oh, shine more. I didn't not know the matter.
Solo, solo, bayo, solo pa, manambo aulele. Awe latayala, awe si umbo, fatema si upapa. Aefia ilo ngai yo piko upu, asia si mai si o mako upu. Afio ai le kau fia mali e koa kama papa, afio ai le lako kama, le alo ali i kupo le sava. Uso ali ka ua, mai ngau i au, alala kai sa le ukongi o le lima makua, fale upo ke vau ko fila. Ko style wa pe pesa masiva, solo, solo, uta, bayoa, solo pa, manambo aulele. Awe latayala, awe si umbo, fatema si upapa. Solo, solo, uta, bayoa, solo pa, manambo aulele. Awe latayala, awe si umbo, fatema si upapa. Pai pai kele kua ma akua fale loa le ka fle ua fale lula no asi kuki vanu male pa ia lasi lasi o tama fina male awa luma a io e onga nga ai malo sila fia so le fiku fale sa welcome to mangu vai le loa eva e sidi ai le ku ia he this is new sila Samoa I do ai le sao o a te roa sao sauna e anu te ua umatama ua taita si maleno foanga. Solo, solo, uta, bayoa, solo pa, manambo aulele. Awe latayala, awe si umbo, fatema si upapa. Solo, solo, uta, bayoa, solo pa, manambo aulele. Awe latayala, awe si umbo, fatema si upapa. Awe latayala, awe si umbo, fatema si upapa.
Venga como fa, ma tua mia idea. Ma quello può fa. E io si vola. Boa.
Find home, we know the way. Watch this wave, I'm gonna ride on the wave on a quest to my motherland, motherland. One wish for the venture, oh, did I mention?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's about that time. Turn this thing on out.
ride for you. Push the negativity to the side for you. That flea love, that's on me. Your smile on point, that's on fleek. Hey, so baby, take my hand and let's roll. Let's roll. At my DJ, play my way.
Esa huía, just like that. Boys in the front just go for it. Don't go from back to the show. Till it's all step in the frame. You know that shine. Everybody say.
My
never seen paradise. Let me tell you now. Ingumai, lang fang juice. Ingumai, lang fang juice. Samai sang fika, faiva mai le mushika. Ingumai, lang fang juice. Ingumai, lang fang juice. Samai sang fika, faiva mai le mushika. Ang cafe le kay nge richa, walue lue mai le mushika. Pa mai loa ole kalima ole ba alelele mai ni sila. Makakia o ngai ang fika elelele solo ele se pelika kalo fai siko ya inga wakangi kangi solo kaluai ingumai lang fang juice ingumai lang fang juice pa mai sang fika fai ba mai le mushika ingumai lang fang juice ingumai lang fang juice pa mai sang fika fai ba mai le mushika. The party ain't live and it ain't buku and if it ain't buku then I'm too blue. Choose one, I'ma choose you. Be my wheel of fortune, let me get you a clue. Dance, dance for a player. Hands, hands, put away. Tonight is major. Place your wager. You ain't never seen paradise. Let me tell you. Ingumai, lang fang juice. Ingumai, lang fang juice. Samai sang fika, faiva mai le mushika. Ingumai, lang fang juice. Ingumai, lang fang juice. Samai sang fika, faiva mai le mushika. Dance, dance. show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. See what is a champion. Shake like a champagne. Me love, me love, me love, me love you. Bang 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 bang. See what is a champion. Shake like a champagne. Me love, me love, me love, me love you. From mole mole, let's play now. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. And I low crazy to feel bright in the baby. See for you say you're touch you. Come and feel my fatu. And I low crazy to feel bright in the baby. See for you say you're touch you. Come and feel my body. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. Biggie man so show in my ooh, so bad tonight. Biggie man so show, girl. Ese foi na lua, esse papel é que musa, papel é que musa, papel é que musa. Esse foi na lua, esse papel é que musa, papel é que musa, papel é que musa. See what is a champion. Shake like a champagne. Me love, me love, me love, me love you. Bang 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 bang. See what is a champion. Shake like a champagne. Me love, me love, me love, me love you. Papel é que musa, papel é que musa. Alofa maoele uma, sweetie me uma lulale.
Joel sunga ia Shade Marco Dasi la fai lima DJ Dave le remix near pesa fengoina player mo ita to fa pe talo fai ali isa aku na ta mai o pese le talo do mai mo it fit talo no tu Samuel o trupil o te fit talo no tu ta tu te mafuta ai o lo manatu ne so ta por climb nga ngai fu faiva ile tala fia lo mo mai le Lloyd Wellington ai pe mana ia to fa isi venal ta por climb nga ngai fu faiva ta por climb ni o le matu ita ia pes po ita to ia lo anga I fali o lo anga se ina ia me me to sami fu ne fiafi ia ngasi senga fu ila fiafi ia le o tata to ita to musika ma fa fianga I lungo de tanto por climb nga ngai fu faiva ia a faila o e fa funga mai o ma fu mai tanto por climb ma e fa fonga mai tato pesi fia le tatu ai nei te ia le sesi fale le ai sul se fu mon moli se mangoi fu se au se fala o fu ele le o jovi tu minuto tale tu lai fitu tale fitu ia te mai le sa le sunga ia sau ia le tanto por clamar fiafi le po na nei mai le tale fitu se au lia se temi o le se fulu na nei tau ilo usa fai atu le por clamar sa fio me lo mo usu lo so ma me lo happy meal ya le isa boy ia mo vi tele le fiafi Pantasi la tua mo lo to suikua. To ia ile ne fia fiafi, mo ni fu il to maftanga ma lusu ya sau ile tanto por clam le fiafi. Ya por evening show lo wala le radio sa mo tasi lima I tolu amo to Antau no malanga le fionga ia severe ile so entire ile tanto por clam nga ngai for favor. Ya fa o wile o tanto fa so ilunga le tanto por clam nga ngai for favor. O le terminei, fa suifuia ma ia manuia o le tanto pesi masani la. Just a tofi. O leo la fia mo oe, pesa fenguina le tu una oe. Ino to 5 minute tale tu la fitu. Alava tele tu Samuel o tu pele. Suifuia ma ia manuia. God bless.
manatu le mafutanga